Hi guys, how are you? You know, I've been trying to do a live video like all week and life just gets crazy and gets really hard to do, but here I am today. And so the first thing I need to tell you is you got to share this video. Make sure you share my video, please. Okay. And then I just kind of wanted to tell you about my day today because it was a little bit interesting. I had to go to a corporation and teach about cancer prevention. And so that's what I did. But interestingly enough, it was inside their cafeteria, which actually was a beautiful cafeteria. And so here I am teaching this class, and there are rows and rows of cookies. I think they're having a party, and there's what was going on. So they had cookies, they had a whole table of pies, they had all of this stuff. Then I asked one of the ladies, I'm like, can I get a little bottle of water? And they had no water, none. They had a giant thing of sodas, and then they had some champagne and some orange juice and some apple juice. And this is what they had in the cafeteria of this big, ginormous corporation. There were hundreds of people in there. It was crazy. So here I am. Now I go up to the podium, right? And I'm going to go give my thing on cancer, my spiel. And the first thing I have to do is say, guys, cancer is like, it's really nasty. It's just the nastiest thing on earth. And here's the thing is that when I teach health, and I tell you this before, it's a combination of your exercise and movement, sleep and relaxation, food and nutrition, and of course your happiness. And so now all of a sudden I have to get in with these people in the nutritional piece, because here's the thing. I always say cancer is kind of like Pac-Man, right? And cancer thrives on sugars. It's sugar, flour, dairy, and alcohol. All those things, they turn into sugars in your body. That's how your body interprets them. And too much sugar, your body just doesn't know how to deal with it. So hello, you got to do something about that. You can't be allowing your body to just be feeding off cancers. Then the other thing is there's this thing called acid and alkaline balance, which we want to really try to work on as well. And cancers thrive on acidity. But guess what? You know what makes your body acidic? The sodas. Yes. The processed foods. Yes. All the alcohol. That's what makes our body acidic. So let's try to work a little bit harder on what we put into our bodies. Our bodies are a fine-tuned engine. Hello, Brian Guzman. Yes. Anyway, so here's the thing. I want you guys to really treat your body the way you want it to treat you. So if you want to be super healthy, then you got to eat healthy. If you want to have tons of energy and you want to ward off all of these nasty diseases that are out there, then hey, don't feed them. You got to feed your body with nutrition and good nutrition at all given points in time. And here's the thing. I love it. Every time I go and I kind of deal with like a new client and I'll say, so tell me what you ate today. The first response, it never fails. Today was not a good day. It never fails every single time. So you really can't get away with like having these like, oh, it's okay if I just had a little bit, or, you know, that's not that big of a deal. Well, yeah, it is a big of a deal because your body, my friends, is a fine-tuned engine. It's better than Maserati. Hello, Jeff Pickover. Anyway, so I want you guys to treat your bodies that way. Give yourself high quality fruits and vegetables, tons of good quality proteins and good quality fats. Those are the nutrients your body needs. And here's the thing, guys, food is fuel. It is not socialization, comfort, or the latest party. It is strictly fuel, just like the gasoline you put in a car. So I'm leaving you with this message. I don't want anybody to be getting any kind of diseases or any of that icky stuff. You've got to feed your body for success. And that's all I have to say. Bye for now.